When I began to do performance, I studied art history and sculpture, and when I stepped into performance, I had to think, how can I step into this medium? And my main interests were literature, art history, and film. And so when I stepped into performance, I related my idea of what performance could be to these other disciplines. And I actually made a statement, I don't see a major difference between these, a poem, a film, a video, a drawing. To me, they can all come together and exist integrally in one work. My name is Joan Jonas, and I went to Mount Holyoke. I graduated in 1958. I'm an artist, and I work and live in New York, across medias, video, performance, installation. I make drawings, I make installations. I'm very glad that I had a liberal arts education as an artist, because what I studied at Mount Holyoke, I studied art history and literature, so I was permanently interested in and relate to the history of art. So when I began to do performances in video, I thought of what happens in a framed space as far as the illusion of depth and so on. The only advice I can give to women is to believe in yourself, to just do it. And the main, being an artist, and I would say this to men and women, of course you have to be talented, but it's really hard work. And enjoy what you're doing. Don't do it if you don't like it. If you love it, then you do it. You'll know intuitively if that's the right thing for you to be doing. Never know what field you'll end up in. And things change so much that you just have to start at the beginning and go and follow your own desires.